Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your base in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So if you got too many Brainrots and nowhere to put them, if your base is full, you're leaving billions of cash on the table, and in here I'm going to show you the how you can upgrade your base easily. As you guys can see, others have 3 to 4 tire base, and if you want to upgrade like I do in here, you can just walk to your base, and at in the front of your base there will be this option to upgrade base. So you can just click on it and actually have the money to upgrade your base easily. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.